Hi guys, so today we're doing a bit of dry camping and it's about a week before we head over to Southern California for the winter, so we thought it would be fun to try it out for a little bit. So that's what we're doing, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So one of the things about dry camping is that we needed extra power, and so that is where this battery comes in, and this battery has saved our lives this weekend. So thank you to EBL for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Here it is. And it comes with a box of cords. So Mike is gonna explain to us what all the different cords do.
Okay, so we've got, it comes with this one, which is almost like a laptop cable, but it plugs into the wall, and you can charge it through this port right here. So you can plug it into your house or AC plug. And then we've got this one, plugs into a standard 12-volt car outlet. Again, in this port here, just charge it up. And then you've got this one, which plugs into solar panels. So if you want to charge directly from a standard solar panel connection, you can use this right here. And this also plugs in there. It can be anywhere from 12 to 24 volts. So those are the charging cables that come bundled with the battery pack.
This right here is a flashlight. What's the button you push to turn it on?
So you press the power button to turn on the battery, and then you press this one right here.
We can't
turns on
see it
your
right
light.
now, but
We can show you later when it gets dark.
yeah.
This has quite a few ports on it. You've got a standard 12-volt cigarette lighter style plug. You've got these smaller plugs here, typical 12 volts. So this can be 10 amps. Each one of these are 5 amps. Then you've got a bunch of different USB ports, and then one Type-C port. And then you've got your AC port here, 110 volts, a pure sine wave, and that goes up to 330 watts. The DC port goes up to 60 watts, and USB outputs, these are 18 watts, and the Type-C is 60 watts. It's pretty light, so it's only about 7¼ pounds, so it's easy to carry. You could even put it in your backpack if you want. It lasts us a long time. We used it quite a bit last night for charging all our phones. We ran the TV till bedtime, and after all that, it was only at 68% battery capacity, so we'd only lost that much. So we still had more than half that we could have gone. So it's very decent capacity. It can handle quite a bit. I can run my 3D printer on this plug, and it handles it just fine. We had, TV, all the phones plugged in. It works great. I really like this.
There we go. It's charging.
So it's got a built-in wireless charger on the top. That's really cool.
That's cool.
So you could put your phone right up on there and you don't even need a charging cable.
Wow.
It's got overload protection. And it's the equivalent of 78,000 milliamp hours.
We used this battery all weekend to charge our phones. It worked great to grind our coffee beans. We plugged in the coffee grinder, selected the button for the specific plug, and voila, it worked wonderfully. We also used it for our TV. We did not have access to internet at this location, so we plugged the TV into the battery, and Mike had a cord running from his phone to the TV so we could cast his phone to the TV. And then we had a demonstration of the flashlight. So we'll have the link in the description box that you can check it out. Uh-oh. Come on, buddy. Let's keep going. This is so Arizona because we all have our water bottles in November. Like, what the heck?
Well, it's the desert, so
Yeah.
you can't afford to keep stuff even now.
Yeah. Are there saguaro cactus down here?
Yeah.
We should show it in a clip.
Yeah. That one looks pretty close. I wonder if we could go right up to it. I've never been right up to a saguaro cactus even one time.
Yeah. Careful, Liam, you might slip. Such a beautiful day. He's trying to hold your hand again.
Here. On this side. You need to go under. You need to go under.
He's like, nope.
I'm going over. Oh, no, you did.
Liam, stay here, buddy. So that right there is called a saguaro cactus, and they only grow near Phoenix, Arizona. I don't think we can get over there though.
Yeah.
He's having so much fun. Say hi, Liam. There's a bunch of them. That cactus looks like it's worn out. Everything in Arizona is spiky.
Bye.
Yeah. It's growing out of the rock.
Okay.
Boys interacting with all this stuff. Careful with sticks. Check out the nip. Go like this. Maybe I shouldn't teach him to throw things.
I think you
Not
figured it out by now.
Not yet. No, not yet.
There's our camper.